Hello students, this session starts with Unit 4 concepts. Now this one, Unit 4 syllabus. Now this entire unit focuses on linked list concept. Here we discuss linked list, types of linked list, single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list, header linked list. Finally, applications of linked list. The first concept, linked list. Now what is meant by linked list? A linked list is a linear data structure in which elements are represented as nodes and the order of the elements is given by links, also known as pointers. So in linked list concept, every element is represented as a node and nodes are connected with the help of links or pointers. Now it shows the diagrammatic representation of a linked list. Here it consists three nodes, node 1, node 2 and node 3. Now these are information parts like 10, 20, 30. Here the list starts at start node and terminates at end node. Now such a representation is known as a linked list. Okay. Now representations of a linked list. So in memory, linked list can be represented in two ways, like static representation and dynamic representation. So as similar to the other data structures, linked list can also be represented in two ways as static representation and dynamic representation. Here the first one, static representation. Static representation of a linked list uses arrays concept. So here it maintains two arrays, one array as data array and another array as link array. Now this one diagrammatic representation, data array, link array. Here data array consists information parts and link array consists index values. The second format, dynamic representation. Dynamic representation of a linked list uses dynamic memory allocation concept. Here nodes are created at runtime based on user requirements. Now it shows diagrammatic representation. Three nodes, node 1, node 2, node 3. Information parts 10, 20, 30. Here every node is linked with another node. Finally, the link part of the last node is filled with a specialized pointer called null pointer. Now this one, representations of a linked list. Next one, types of linked list. Now depending on the number of parts in a node and the way of establishing links in between the nodes, linked list can be classified into four categories such as single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list and header linked list. Single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list and header linked list. Students, I hope you are all understood this concept. So in next session we will discuss single linked list concept. Thank you one and all.